Today I go to eat a little of Bangmut Lamb Hin Seafood.
A floating restaurant just after a couple of minutes from the shore. There seems to be other floating restaurants around here as well. What do you like to drink?
I think beer.
You want beer, obviously you want a beer.
No beer.
No beer? Is it because people will be drunk and fall in water?
It's no beer.
Have Coca-Cola. What is it? Oh, เสียดายจังเหล้า
We have the kitchen in there. And yes, there is a toilet. I was a bit concerned about that, but no need to be. I wonder if that's my food swimming around. Someone said you could actually catch your own food, but we did not get to catch our food. Maybe it's if you choose something special, they will let you catch it yourself. Oh wow, check that out. All the fish.
Lobster.
Wow, big crabs.
Oh, your lobster.
What big lobster. There is some crabs there. Yeah, they basically have all the food on the menu fresh in these ponds. Mahmoud?
Bangmut. My wife Bangmut.
The founder, the boss, big boss, Mahmoud. Food. Tom yum. Tom yum.
ก็ใหญ่เลยต้มยำซีฟู้ด
Very good. How spicy is it?
Not spicy. You can eat
Okay, good. Will I crap my pants?
little bit. อันนี้เนี่ยเพื่อนทุกไปเยอะมากทุกไปประเทศไทยเราแค่น้ำปลาอีกเนาะจะหมดแล้วก็
Highly recommended. As you can see, this is a great restaurant with plenty of fresh seafood, and it's a must visit on your trip to Phuket. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in the next video. Bye bye.